Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable quick notes on your Xiaomi phone. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Quick notes are the electronic equivalent of little yellow note. When you create a quick note, it saves immediately a section in your notes. And on Xiaomi phone, what if you want to enable the quick notes? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our notes. Now you can just tap on the upper right corner on the settings on here, on the gear icon on here. And you'll find there is an option quick feature, quick notes. You can just tap on that. You can enable by tap on the toggle on here. You can also allow access to your media. You can allow all, maybe. You can use the shortcut at the edge of the screen to create notes and tasks, as well as save copied URL, text, and image to notes here. Let's check now. You can slide in here like this, and your notes will be appear on your screen like this. You can also add tasks on here, so you can easily open your notes from your shortcut in here. It's so simple, right? So that is how to enable quick notes on your Xiaomi phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.